Gross profit or loss deviation analysis. Process description. Planned. Actualized. Difference. Difference percent. Process description. Sales quantity 410 395 equals E6D6 equals F6/D6. Average unit price C divided by A equals if D6 equals 0,0 D8/D6 equals if E6 equals 0,0 E8/E6 equals E7D7 equals F7/D7. Sales revenue 12,812.5 13,825 equals E8D8 equals F8/D8. Average unit cost E divided by A equals if D6 equals 0,0 D10/D6 equals if E6 equals 0,0 E10/E6 equals E9D9 equals F9/D9. Cost of sales 10,250 11,060 equals E10D10 equals F10/D10. Average profit/loss on unit sales G divided by A equals if D6 equals 0,0 D12/D6 equals if E6 equals 0,0 E12/E6 equals E11D11 equals F11/D11. Gross profit on sales C, E equals D8D10 equals E8E10 equals E12D12 equals F12/D12. Income, quantity deviation amount equals F6 equals D7 equals E15*D15 equals F15/D8. Income, price deviation amount equals F7 equals D6 equals E16*D16 equals F16/D8. Income, price deviation amount of quantity difference equals F6 equals F7 equals E17*D17 equals F17/D8. Income, total deviation amount H and I and J equals F17 plus F16 plus F15 equals E8D8 equals F17 plus F16 plus F15 equals F18/D8. Cost, quantity deviation amount equals F6 equals D9 equals E19*D19 equals F19/D10. Cost, price deviation amount equals F9 equals D6 equals E20*D20 equals F20/D10. Cost, price deviation amount of quantity difference equals F6 equals F9 equals E21*D21 equals F21/D10. Cost, total deviation amount L and M and N equals F21 plus F20 plus F19 equals E10D10 equals F21 plus F20 plus F19 equals F22/D10. Gross profit / loss on sales, quantity deviation amount. Equals F6. Equals D7 D9. Equals E23 asterisk D23. Equals F23 / D12. Gross profit / loss on sales, price deviation amount. Equals F7 F9. Equals D6. Equals E24 asterisk D24. Equals F24 / D12. Gross profit / loss on sales, price deviation amount of quantity difference. Equals F6. Equals F7 F9. Equals E25 asterisk D25. Equals F25 / D12. Gross profit / loss on sales, total deviation amount P and Q and R. Equals F25 plus F24 plus F23. Equals E12 D12. Equals F25 plus F24 plus F23. Equals F26 / D12. Equals E15 asterisk D15. Equals E19 asterisk D19. Equals E23 asterisk D23. Equals E16 asterisk D16. Equals E20 asterisk D20. Equals E24 asterisk D24. Equals E17 asterisk D17. Equals E21 asterisk D21. Equals E25 asterisk D25. Deviation analysis is a routine form of troubleshooting performed at process manufacturing facilities around the world. When speed is imperative, a robust deviation detection system, along with a good process for analyzing the resulting data, is essential for solving problems quickly. A properly configured deviation detection system allows nearly everyone involved in a manufacturing process to collaborate and quickly identify the root causes of unexpected production issues. The 4 deviation detection methods we'll be using are: A. Absolute change, percent change, the simplest form of deviation detection. Comparing a value against the average. B. Variability, COV change, how much the data varies or how spread out the data is relative to the average. C. Standard deviation, SDCGH, a standard for control charts. Measures how much the data varies over time. D. Multi-parameter, DMODs, advanced deviation detection metric showing the difference between expected values and real data, to evaluate the overall health of the process. The ranges are often rate dependent. This work, it is based on multi-parameter extraction. The components of the deviation of the price parameters of quantity, price, and quantity difference were analyzed. Gross profit or loss deviation analysis.